Your work on behalf of women throughout the community has been just so important to us on the state level.
Michele is a wonderful advocate for our ward and for the people of Chicago. She has been so helpful in so many different community projects.
You did amazing work with the coordinating the Women's March, a historic opportunity for women to come out and come together on issues important to us.
We knew that we had to get some help from various city personnel and possibly get a permit. So I contacted Michele, and she jumped right in. Michele paved the way for just contacting all the proper people so that we could make this march possible. And then she was there at the march also and recruited lots of people from our ward and from the neighborhood to participate.
This is how organic things happen. This is how we make things happen for people.
A lot of people thought that we weren't able to pass HB 40, but with Michele's community organizing, her belief, and her commitment to the issue, we were able to prove people wrong.
Can we talk about House Bill 40?
Sure.
The most impactful piece of legislation we've seen in the state of Illinois in years, and Michele's work on behalf of women in Illinois.
House Bill 40 was a bill, as you know, that because of the Donald Trump era and his perceived and actual threat of making abortion illegal in some states by appointing an anti-choice Supreme Court, which was his promise. We really are fortunate in this state because I believe we made an affirmative statement to protect abortion care in Illinois and make sure that it will always be safe and legal. And I remember going into the city council chamber and you making the most powerful speech on the floor of the city council about how important it is, and I'm sure that it impacted how the governor reacted to that and may have contributed to why he signed it.
Her working so hard for this bill really made the difference in Illinois becoming a leader in the country in terms of reproductive rights.
One thing that I've really appreciated as a woman fighting on the state level for many of the same issues you're working on the local level is the fact that you take a collaborative approach to your decision making. You're not afraid to reach out and talk to us about what you're working on, ask for us to partner with you on initiatives that you're supporting.
A lot of candidates and elected officials say that they're pro-choice, but Michele Smith is one of those people that actually acts on her pro-choice positions. And when it came to the vote of President's health care in the Chicago City Council, Michele voted no to allow presidents to deny rape victims access to emergency contraception, to birth control, as well as abortion care. She really stood up and did the right thing, and we cannot be more grateful to her for that.
That's a perfect example of the kind of state-local partnership we really need, and that's the kind of alderman I want to work with.
Michele, you're a really tough cookie, and I like that.
Michele, we need that.
I'm Michele Smith. I've been fighting for women's issues for over 35 years. I'm asking for your vote